Hello, I'm the Doctor, and I'm coming straight from the TARDIS to tell you about an amazing new futuristic invention just for you.
What's that?
Well, my faithful companion, do you know about this?
Of course, that's the sonic screwdriver. That's what you use in all your adventures.
Come with me. I want to show you something.
All right.
Welcome to 1800s America.
Wow, Doctor. Look at that lady over there with the books. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you two can open random boxes.
What about that lady with the wood over there?
Doesn't do wood.
Why are you wearing leather boots, Doctor?
Because leather boots are cool. And now you can be an owner of a sonic screwdriver and be just like me. Now you can fight Daleks, weeping angels, and even your everyday alien invasion.
Wow, now I can be just like the Doctor.
No, you're just my companion. Buy your own sonic screwdriver now. Just call 317-A-TARDIS.
The Doctor is not responsible for any injuries, diseases, alien invasions, or death caused by using this device. Remember, owning the sonic screwdriver does not actually make you the Doctor. P.S. It does not do wood.